Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the topic of noun gender. I'm Shera Goel, your English teacher. Dear students, you know noun is the name of a place, person, animal, or a thing. But there are different types of gender in nouns. There are four types: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Dear students, we will try to understand all these genders one by one. Let's have a look. Masculine gender. When nouns denote names of males, they are said to be masculine gender. For example, this is a boy. This is a man. It is a cock. And it is a bull. They all are the male species. Okay. Feminine gender. When noun denotes names of females, they are said to be feminine gender. For example, this is a pic of a mother and a daughter. Okay. Woman or a girl. They are feminine gender. Hen. Hen is a feminine of cock. And this is a cow. Cow is also a feminine gender. Next is common gender. When noun word can be used for both males and females, they are called common noun gender. This is a group of students, or this is a group of children. Both of them are common noun gender because they can be used for boys also as well as girls. Similarly, painter or a doctor is used irrespective of male or female. Neuter gender. Neuter gender, when nouns do not tell us whether they are male or female, they are called neuter gender. Basically, they are used with the non-living things. For example, chair, aeroplane, or the bulb. These are all non-living things and are considered into neuter gender. Let's look at the exercise 1. Shout out the words and put them in the right treasure box. Leader. Leader can be male or a female because it can be commonly used with both of them. That is why it is known as common gender. Headmistress. Headmistress is the female head of a school or a college. So this is a feminine gender. It belongs to only female category. Cousin. Cousin can be a male cousin or a female cousin. For both it is used, that is why it is known as common gender. Next is milkmaid. Milkmaid is a woman who sells milk. That is why it is known as feminine gender. Wood. Wood is a non-living substance and it is neither male nor female. That is why it is under the category of neuter gender. Emperor. Emperor is a king, a synonym of king. So he is also belongs to the category of masculine gender. Flower. Flower is, students, is a special category. Yes, it is living, but plant, flower and tree belongs to neuter gender. Groom. Groom, when the two people are getting married, the male person is known as groom and the female is known as bride. So groom is a masculine gender. Queen. Queen is a feminine gender. It is the masculine gender of queen is king. Now doctor. Doctor can be male doctor or doctor can also be a female doctor, and the word doctor is used for both males and females. That is why it is under the category of common gender. Next is athlete. Athlete again can be a female athlete or a male athlete. So athlete is also under common Gender. Milkman. So the man who is selling the milk is known as milkman, and it is under the category of masculine gender. We have already done milkmaid, and the masculine gender of milkmaid is milkman. Now neighbor, students, can be a female neighbor or a male neighbor who lives near our house. So it is also under the category of common gender. Box. Box is a non-living thing. It does not come under any category of male or female. That is why it is neuter gender. Bride. Bride, when the two people are getting married, male is known as groom and the female is known as bride. So bride is a feminine gender. Headmaster. The male head of the school is known as headmaster. So it is a masculine gender. Next is paper. Paper is made up of wood and it belongs to the category of neuter gender. It is also a non-living substance. King. King is the male. Okay, that is why it belongs to the category of masculine gender. And what is the feminine gender? Queen. Empress. It is the feminine part of emperor, right? Emperor was masculine and empress is feminine gender. Barber. Barber can be male barber or a female. So it belongs to the common gender. If the female cuts the hair, she is also known as barber. Now students, read the book, do the exercise, and a happy learning. Thank you, students.